When one of your appliances breaks down, you may be tempted to try to fix it yourself. But keep in mind that when it comes to gas and electrical work, it's best to leave the work to a qualified technician. In one recent incident we investigated, a person without electrical qualifications attempted to repair a microwave that had stopped working. During this time, the person had disassembled 2 microwaves in the shop. One was plugged in and turned on with the cover removed, energizing the high voltage circuitry and wires that were inside. These high voltage circuits can produce up to 4,000 volts and contain capacitors that can deliver a deadly shock even if the appliance is unplugged. The person touched the energized high voltage wires with their hand and tragically was fatally electrocuted. Electrical shock is one of the highest technical safety risks in BC. This tragic incident serves as a reminder that electrical work needs to be performed by a licensed contractor who has the qualification and knowledge to get the job done safely. To find a licensed electrical contractor, visit technicalsafetybc.ca.